test again. Before Kite and Wake, everybody, this is Stan and I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about the North foil. Like you guys, we just got this foil in the store and we're very excited. We've been waiting for months, and what we've seen opening the box is pretty much as good as all the pictures that are all over the internet. So I want to talk a little bit about North kiteboarding. North is one of the leaders in kiteboarding equipment manufacturing, and we've been waiting for years for them to catch up on the foil game. They started with a previous model that did okay, but again, it's like everybody was wondering, it's like why North is not getting deep into the foil game. Well, we don't have to wait anymore. We all sent pictures of the North foil, so it's finally on the market, and I'm gonna show you all the details that we have here. We've written this foil in the gorge, and we can't wait to put it together and start writing it here in Charleston. But I'm gonna give you my impression from opening this box, and we're gonna go to details on all the little pieces of that foil. So first of all, I gotta say thank you guys from North. It's probably the sexiest looking foil board. It's really mean. The blue and the black straps, all the little details are like everything North manufactures. It just looks insane. So what's different about this foil? We have aluminum mast, and relatively it's, you know, aluminum mast a little bit heavier than a full carbon mast, but not by much. So let's talk a little bit about mast. This is the North mast. This is similar mast that you guys seen, aluminum mast that you've seen on the market. So the first thing that we notice is that the North mast feels solid. You can see kind of here a little bit the diameter of the hull side is increased than a traditional mast, and this piece on the end, it's completely full of aluminum all the way to the bottom. So we covered the mast. It's pretty solid piece of aluminum. Don't worry that it's skinny. It's gonna be plenty sturdy because of how much aluminum those guys left in the mast. It's tapped on top, so no water is gonna go in. The most important part here is I want to talk about the fuselage and the wings. First thing that we noticed is that they look like a fighter plane. So the design is pretty awesome. Another thing that is very interesting here, they use carbon composite mold. Carbon composite mold, what's that? So normally when you're manufacturing something from a carbon, you lay sheets of carbon one over another and you gloss them, and that's how you make a structure. Well, this foil has a mold for it. So they're literally injecting this material, which is half carbon, half plastic, and that's the feel of this board. So it's not going to be as light as a full 100% carbon setup, but it's extremely durable. So this thing, according to North, it's indestructible. So let's find out. So I'm a little bit worried about it because I waited for this for a month to see this foil, but let's drop it, and I'm going to drop it. So we put pretty solid pressure on this foil, and I don't see any scratches. And as you can see, if you guys want to do this test again, it did quite a bit of beating landing on the ground. I know that JP filming this video, that's his favorite foil in the world, got a little worried about it, but let's look at the foil. Come, let's bring the camera closer. So I really forced this thing into the ground, and I actually worry more about my floor now than anything. But we don't see any really scratches on this thing. There's white mark here which completely peel off after wiping with my finger, so that was pretty solid. So as advertised, it's very strong board because of the way how this carbon mold thing works. So I can't wait to get this thing in the water. I think that it's priced perfectly for $8.99. Getting that much R&D and technology in this. So yeah, for more details, give us a call, guys. We foil here every day, and we're foil fanatics here at Kite and Wake. So the phone number is 843-329-3004, and write with force. I can't wait to do this again.